Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup that I'm not wearing right now, so don't judge me. Plants, they're back there. My life and travel. But today, we're gonna review these lights. Oh my god, they're coming out. These lights from Great Video Maker. That is the brand from Amazon, and they're not just any ordinary lights. They are filming lights. Okay, 1 second you guys. They are literally these LED filming lights that are so fucking beautiful, and they have the BRG lighting too, which means they change colors from pink to purple to blue to yellow. But yeah, you guys, I got these the guy I'm dating got me these lights for my birthday. He knew I needed some lighting to amp my video quality. Right now it is like 11 p.m. and it looks like it's daytime, and I'm only using one that is set up already. So I'm gonna set up the other one with you guys. So that's exciting, and we're gonna build it together, and I'm gonna tell you how easy it is to install it and my opinions. I've been using these lights for the past, I think, 2 or 3 videos. So if y'all can tell a difference, let me know. But before I start the video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, please add me at Melina Glam on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. And I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's start this video and build these lights, you guys. Okay, you guys. These lights, like I said, are from Great Video Maker. And, yeah. They ordered them online on Amazon. And, yeah. So, the first thing it has is the little stand that you put the lights on. So this is pretty self-explanatory. It has some notches. Are these called notches? The little thingies that you notches, I guess. Not handles, they're notches. So you unscrew it and basically it gets longer, shorter. Yeah. Then it has a notch here, so you can open the actual, wait, oh, she's stuck. Oh, there we go. There. I think it goes all the way, but I'm not strong right now. And then we can adjust it. I think it goes all the way down. Oh, there you go. I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. Yeah. Now you just like adjust it here. Can y'all see me? Let me like switch the angle. Give me 1 second. Okay, I think that's better. So here we go. This is what we've got so far. Like I said, these little notches open and close. So you can make them longer or shorter. We're gonna make it this high so y'all can see. And it has this little cap, and you unscrew it. Because we're gonna put the actual light there. And I already read the instructions, that's why I'm telling you what to do. But if you don't believe me and you get the same lights, just read the constructions, like I like to call them, because we're constructing things. But yeah, it comes with a little panel for the actual lighting. Okay, packaging is great. It has these little supports. And it comes in this plastic. Okay. And it comes with the power adapter. Pretty self-explanatory, you guys. Okay. I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh, hi, Coco. Coco! Coco! I think y'all could see her. She's over there. Not. Well, there's Coco over there. Anyways, so it comes with a little knob thing, notch, knob, whatever the hell it is. And you pretty much unscrew it so it can open here, and we can just put the light here. And then we make it tight again. We screw it once you fit it, because it's wobbly if you don't. And you tighten this. And there you go. The light's on. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? Okay, there you go. Now y'all can see. I'll make it a little shorter so y'all can see. Let me see. Okay, there you go. We got it. Okay, so there she is. Now, the last thing we gotta do is we gotta put this panel, and it has plastic on both sides, so we gotta take the plastic out, don't leave it on, or else you're gonna burn the freaking house. Probably. I've never had lightings for my videos, you guys. I've always used natural lighting or whatever. So, the instructions really didn't say which side to use. It has a glossy side, and it has a dull side, a matte side. Opaque, however you say it. So, I feel like I'm gonna put the glossy side on it. And in the front, it's gonna be the more opaque side. I think that's how it should be. Oh, and I'm not even showing you. It has little, like, let me see if the camera can show it. Oh my god. Let's see. Look, it has little, y'all can see it here. It has little things, like little indents or little things that you can slide in the panel. I don't even know what these are called. Y'all get me. Y'all can see you could just slide in this little thing. Just be careful and don't break it. There you go. And it has another one. And just be patient. Don't be aggressive and break the shit. Cause yeah, there you go. Okay. We got it. Because if I break it, I know my man is gonna be so mad at me. Anyways, here you go, you guys. So we build it, and now all we gotta do is plug in the light. Okay, I mean the adapter. So the adapter pretty easy. It has 3 little circles, and it has the connection is 3 circles, and it pretty much goes in there. Pretty self-explanatory. And then it has this type of power. And let me show you the back of this. Literally, it has a hole where it says power. That's it. That's all you gotta do. This is so simple. So now we shall see how good these are. I'm already filming with 1, so oh my god, filming with 2. Y'all gonna see everything. Y'all gonna see all my pimples. Y'all gonna see all my wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles yet. I hope not. Y'all gonna see all my imperfections, so I'm kind of scared. Yeah, give me 1 second before I plug this in, okay? Stay there, don't leave. Please subscribe, comment if you already have these lights or better ones. Let me know. Here I go. I'll be back. Okay. Oh my god. The cable is stuck. 1 second, you guys. Oh my god, my hair. I can't see a thing. Oh, what is that? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. 1. Are y'all ready? Let me do a countdown. Are y'all ready? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Okay, let me look like a baddie. Let me show you. Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, what the fuck? Is this on? Why didn't it work? Is this on? Is this bitch? Ah! There we go. Oh, it's on green mode. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're gonna change it. Okay, more green. Right now it's green. That's like a light blue. Definitely blue now. Now it's like a purple. Okay, now it's purple. And then we go to pink. And this will be, there you go, it's pink. This would work better on a blank background, and if I have it in back of me, then you could really see the whole thing. Like if it was a blank wall, and I put this in back of me, and put the other light as lighting, this will look so bomb. So I'm gonna try it for my next video, but I'm just showing you how they work. So it's turning from pink to red to yellow to green again and blue. Yeah, okay. Now if I click it again, it goes to pure white, and from white to a more yellowish white, and that's all the settings. And then the other button is just to make it less bright. There you go, less bright. Now y'all can see me. And more bright. But, okay. There you go. And it has all the adjustments here. But the real trick is having it in front of me. So I'm gonna have one, oh, don't drop it. So I'm gonna have one here. And then the other one on the other side. Okay, you guys. So the ultimate test. I have one light here, and I have the other light here. So, we're gonna see. I have them like literally right here. One's here, one's here. They're both off. And we're gonna turn them on so y'all can see how it looks like. Let me know if y'all see a difference. Wow. I love them. It literally looks like daytime here. Like, it's like almost 12 in the morning. And wow, it just looks amazing. Look at my face. Sophie, come here. Come here. Come here, look at these lights. Look at my Sophie. Okay. Here's my Sophie. Do you like the new lights, Mama? Yes, I do. I love the new lights. Oh my god, she loves them. Oh my god, you guys. So yeah, these lights again are from These lights again are from Great Video Maker on Amazon. And I love them. So I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. And yeah, that's the video. It's a whole simple setup. It didn't take me that long. Y'all saw we did it together. I didn't even read the, well, I read the instructions first and it didn't take me that long. They look complicated to build. It comes with two, but it wasn't. These were like 170, 180. Yeah, with taxes like 180, 190. I have to ask my bae, he paid for them. Thank you. I appreciate his birthday gift so much. Like, oh my god, I can't believe it's nighttime and I look this bright and this good. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. If y'all want me to build more shit from IKEA or anywhere else, let me know. Or if y'all miss my plant videos, let me know. Or makeup videos, which I need to get on too. But yeah, you guys, it was nice talking to y'all. I love these lights. I totally recommend them. Y'all should get them. I was working with one. I finally built the other one. I've been waiting to build it with you guys. So yeah, yeah, I'll see you on my next video, you guys. Bye, guys. I hope y'all buy these lights. And by the way, it's not sponsored, so yeah. Maybe they can sponsor me. I don't know, but we'll see. Bye, guys. Oh my god, I love these lights. Anyways, it's getting hot in here, so. One light. No light. I love it. Bye.